Why push-ups are a game changer for women? Hello, ladies. Are you looking for a simple, equipment-free exercise that can transform your arms and core? Well, let me introduce you to the humble push-up. Yes, push-ups. They're not just for gym bros or military drills. Push-ups are one of the most effective bodyweight exercises for women too. Whether you're a beginner or a fitness enthusiast, push-ups can help you tone your arms, strengthen your core, and boost your confidence, all from the comfort of your home. Today, we're diving deep into how push-ups can sculpt your upper body, why they're perfect for women, and how you can master them step by step. So, grab a mat, put on your favorite workout playlist, and let's get started. The science behind push-ups. What's happening to your body? First, let's talk about why push-ups work so well. When you lower your body to the ground and push back up, you're engaging multiple muscle groups at once. Your chest or pectoral muscles gets activated, giving your upper body the toned look. Your triceps, the muscles at the back of your arms, tighten up, waving goodbye to flabby arms. And here's the bonus, your core, those abs and obliques, kicks into gear to keep your body stable. It's like a plank and an arm workout rolled into one. Studies show that compound movements like push-ups burn more calories and build functional strength compared to isolated exercises. For women, this means better posture, stronger arms for daily tasks, and a tighter midsection without needing fancy equipment. Why women should embrace push-ups. Now, you might be thinking, push-ups? Aren't they too hard for me? Let me bust that myth right now. Push-ups are for everyone, and they're especially great for women because they're customizable. You don't need to start with the full military-style version. Plus, women often have less upper body muscle mass than men naturally, but that's exactly why push-ups are so powerful. They help you build strength where it counts. Toned arms aren't just about looking good in a sleeveless top, though that's a perk. They're about lifting groceries, carrying kids, or feeling strong in your own skin. And that core strength? It's your secret weapon for better balance, less back pain, and a confident stance. Getting started, push-up variations for beginners. Let's ease into it. If you're new to push-ups, don't worry, I've got you covered with beginner-friendly options that still target your arms and core. Wall push-ups. Stand about arm's length from a wall, place your hands shoulder-width apart, and lean in. Push back to the starting position. This is perfect for building arm strength without the intimidation factor. Do 3 sets of 10 reps. Knee push-ups. Drop to your knees, keep your hands under your shoulders, and lower your chest toward the floor. Your core stays engaged, and your arms still get a solid workout. Aim for 3 sets of 8 to 12 reps. Incline push-ups. Use a sturdy surface like a table or bench. The higher the surface, the easier it is. This variation tones your arms while activating your abs. Try 3 sets of 10 to 15 reps. Leveling up, intermediate and advanced push-ups. Once you've mastered the basics, it's time to challenge yourself. These variations will take your arm and core toning to the next level. Standard push-up, hands shoulder-width apart, body in a straight line from head to heels. Lower until your chest nearly touches the floor, then push up. This is the gold standard for a reason. It hits every muscle we're targeting. Start with 3 sets of 5 to 10 reps and build from there. Triceps push-up. Bring your hands closer together, forming a diamond shape with your thumbs and index fingers. This zeroes in on those triceps for sleeker arms. Go for 3 sets of 8 reps. Pike push-up. Start in a downward dog position, hips up, and lower your head toward the ground. This one's a core crusher and great for shoulder definition too. Aim for 3 sets of 6 to 10 reps. Pro tips for perfect form. Form is everything, ladies. Keep your body straight, no sagging hips or arched backs. Engage your core by imagining you're pulling your belly button toward your spine. Elbows should bend at about a 45-degree angle from your body, not flaring out too wide. And breathe. Exhale as you push up, inhale as you lower. Good form means better results and fewer injuries. A 4-week push-up plan for toned arms and core. Here's a simple plan to get you started. Week 1, pick a beginner variation. Do 3 sets of 8 to 12 reps, 3 times a week. Rest 30 to 60 seconds between sets. Week 2, increase to 3 sets of 12 to 15 reps, add a second variation once a week. Week 3, try the standard push-up, even if it's just 1 to 2 reps per set. Mix in an intermediate variation like triceps push-ups. Week 4, aim for 3 sets of 10 standard push-ups, plus 2 sets of an advanced variation. You'll feel the difference. Bonus benefits, beyond the physical. Push-ups aren't just about your body, they boost your mind too. Completing a set feels empowering. You'll stand taller, move with purpose, and tackle your day with energy. Plus, they're free, quick, and doable anywhere: your living room, a park, or even a hotel room. Conclusion: start today, shine tomorrow. So, there you have it, push-ups are your ticket to toned arms and a strong core. Start where you are, progress at your pace, and watch your strength soar. You don't need a gym membership or weights, just your body and a little determination. Which variation will you try first? Drop a comment below, and let's cheer each other on. Here's to stronger, fiercer, fabulous you.